Thank you, Secretary Pompeo. My name is Jewher Ilham, and I am Uyghur. I'm grateful to the United States for the opportunity to speak for millions of Uyghurs in Western China who remain silenced. It has become a crime to be Uyghur in China. My father, Ilham Tohti, is a well-known economist and scholar. He never advocated for separatism, but is now serving life in prison because he chose to speak out about the right to believe what you choose to believe, the right to worship the way you want to worship, and the right to think what you want to think. The only thing he was guilty of was publicly calling for peaceful dialogue and reconciliation. The Chinese government targets religion to ensure that people of faith do not answer to any greater power than the Communist Party. In China, authorities have defaced or demolished churches, temples, and mosques throughout the country. Crosses and minarets have been replaced with hammers and sickles. Spiritual images have been removed in favor of photos of authoritarians. The 10 Commandments have been taken down to make room for government propaganda. Children are forbidden from attending religious services. We are witnessing the systematic eradication of ethnic and religious minority identities in China. Beijing believes Islam is a sickness to be treated with an iron fist. Uyghurs are detained for praying to God, fasting during Ramadan, wearing a beard, or simply saying Assalamu alaikum. Every day, millions of Uyghurs and other Muslim minorities in China are being abused, drugged, and indoctrinated in the government's concentration camps. Outside of these camps, they're monitored and tracked using high-tech surveillance. Chinese officials conduct intrusive homestays looking for signs of religious practice.